Love is like a rodeo, trying to see how far we go. After one touch, became obsessed with the rush.
See some kids out back with 22s, poppin' squirt. I wanna see some young guns going out on a duck hunt and messing up this flappy bird and acting like a lazy bug. This trends got it twisted and they do you believe that you can walk on water? Do you believe that you can win this fight tonight?
It's the one you believe in. The second one might be profound. I follow you down through the eye of the storm.
All right, let's cut this baby about right here, and that should look pretty good. There we go. Let's see what we got now. All right, we'll take just a little bit more off, and that should be perfect. Here we go. What? Son of a...
Nice playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you.
I guess be careful what you wish for is all I meant when I said what you see is what you get. At least I'm out. Inside out. So
first things first, let me tell you, I only take the money if the tint blue. She don't really care what I'm into. I did this for myself, I had a breakthrough. I'm about my revenue, I'm about my profit. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got some bitches in my life and they all mine. I got a pocket.
Patience and tolerance has got the better chance of removing much of the damage before it shows up. We elect our future to be the bad luck. Bad news gets given, we throw our hands up. And this country is
Show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. Yeah, about to...
My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give. Walking on
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, now you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. No money.
Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. I want something just like
Hey Ted and the rest of the team over at Ted's Woodworking. It's John here from the UK, and I can't thank you enough for the plans. I can build things now that I never thought possible for me to do and make them look good. If I had to boil it down to just one single moment, I think the catalyst that started my woodworking journey, it would be the time when I purchased Ted's collection of plans. All I can say is, if you have ever wanted to get into woodworking and didn't know where to start, this is the package to get. You'll find plans to almost any project that you can think of, which makes it very easy to get started.
Hey everyone, Barry here in Nebraska. I'd like to give a big shout out to Ted. I recently came across Ted's woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program simply blew my mind. The content they offer with the course provided me with so many ideas for creative projects, as well as some awesome furniture ideas and plans that my wife now wants in our home. If you're considering buying Ted's woodworking course, the return on your investment will be lifelong. Being one that loves woodworking, I have to say they offer the most detailed collection of plans I've ever seen. I would also rank it as one of the best values of any woodworking course I've ever taken. Thanks for creating it, Ted. You did well.